Car insurance rates are higher than ever in Georgia, thanks to rising auto repair costs and a sharp increase in unsafe driving. And in Atlanta, things are even worse. The average Atlanta driver pays over $200 per month for a full coverage policy. That's 17% more than the state average. But as bad as that might all sound, don't panic. It's still possible to find affordable insurance in Atlanta. In this video, we'll go over some of the best expert tips to keep your rates low without sacrificing coverage. And we'll take a look at the cheapest insurance providers in the Atlanta area. Let's get into it. Jerry's got your back. To understand how to lower your rates in Atlanta, let's start by looking at why car insurance is so expensive here. Atlanta is a huge transportation hub with hundreds and thousands of drivers pouring through the city every day. More cars means a higher chance of accidents, and that rate has shot up since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic as drivers hit the roads with increasingly unsafe habits. But there's another reason why insurance costs more here. Until this past year, Georgia law permitted insurance companies to raise rates without approval from the state insurance commissioner. Here's the good news. In May of 2023, the state legislature signed a bill closing that legal loophole, giving the insurance commissioner tighter control over private auto insurance rates. The bad news? In 2023 alone, Georgia insurance companies already raised rates by an average of 22%. With all these challenges, it's absolutely vital for Atlanta drivers to have smart shopping tips in their back pocket when it comes to car insurance. And that's why Jerry exists. It's a licensed insurance broker that fits in your pocket with free quotes from top-rated insurers at the ready. Just download the app, answer a few questions about yourself and your car, and you'll get customized rates from local Atlanta providers, and the big names too. Jerry partners with over 55 of the nation's top-rated insurance companies, including Nationwide and Travelers, two of the best companies for drivers in Atlanta. Nationwide's rates are consistently well below the citywide average, while Travelers offers competitive rates for drivers with high-risk profiles, like young drivers or drivers with speeding tickets. In addition to competitive comparison shopping, Jerry can help you save by practicing safe driving. With Drive Shield, you can track your driving in real time and get a safe driving score based on the habits that insurance companies care about: speeding, harsh braking, phone use, and more. By tracking those habits, you can improve your driving and qualify for direct insurance discounts from your provider. That's an average of 12% for most drivers who sign up for Drive Shield. Finally, Jerry can help you save over time by regularly reshopping for new quotes. With insurance companies changing their rating algorithms all the time, regular shopping is the only way to ensure that you always have the lowest rate. Jerry takes the hassle and guesswork out of keeping your insurance budget ahead of the market. Click the link in the description below to get started. If you got a helpful tip from this video, comment below and let us know, or leave a question you'd like us to answer in a future video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the best insurance advice from the experts at Jerry.
Jerry, the AllCar app that's got your back. Because we car.